Hi, hello, excellent slides here. We create excellent presentations. Please remember to like and share this video and subscribe our valuable channel. You can also follow our social media.
In this video, I will teach you how to hide and how to unhide slides in PowerPoint. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is our first slide. Just type anything, an opening slide. Perfect. Let's create a new slide. So right click, new slide. Now slide number 2. The third slide. Now maybe let's set layout to blank and just create any shape. Alright, the fourth, maybe an oval, and yeah, change the fill, and the last one will be maybe triangle. Alright, perfect. So as you can see, now the whole presentation is 5 slides. So if I launch slideshow by clicking here, start from this slide, shift and 5, or start from beginning, F5, so I will use this one. As you can see, the whole presentation starts and we are now in slideshow. So this is our first slide, the second, the third, the fourth, and the 5. Alright, but let's say we would like to hide this slide number 2 in our slideshow, but we want to save it because let's say in the future we want to use this slide. So how to do it? Of course, you can just delete it, but like I said before, let's assume that you would like to use this slide in the future. So you have to, it's really simple. You have to right click and here you have hide slide. As you can see, now this 2 is strike through, so let's preview this effect. As you can see, now we are in slideshow and this is our first slide. And now if I click my mouse, as you can see, this was our slide number 3, but now it's as a second slide because we have hidden slide number 2. And now slide number 3, number 4, yeah, exactly. And as you can know, if you would like to unhide this slide, you have to just click it, right click, and just deselect hide slide. As you can see now, the first slide, the second, slide number 2. Alright, so that was really a quick tutorial, but I think it was valuable for you. Please give us likes below, subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell. And as always, have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.